Hi, in today's video, we are going to be practicing a simple 10 minutes office break yoga stretches that will help you to relax in between your work and make your day very productive. आज का सेशन में हम हल्का सा 10 मिनट का योग अभ्यास करेंगे जो आप ऑफिस में बीच में ब्रेक में कर सकते हैं. इससे आपका दिन अच्छा प्रोडक्टिव रहेगा. Before that, do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon because every time I upload a new video, you will come to know about it and your subscription encourages me to make more such videos for all of you. उसके पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को दबाएं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. One thing you need to remember is do only as much as you can and do it gently. Focus on just stretching and relaxing. आप रिलैक्स करने में अपना फोकस को रखिए, जितना हो सकता है उतना करिए. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin. Sit comfortably and close your eyes for a moment. आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं एक क्षण के लिए. लंबी गहरी श्वास अंदर. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And slowly and gently you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. We'll begin with one round of Bhastrika Pranayama. This helps to energize the body. Bhastrika Pranayama से शुरू करते हैं. ढीला मुट्ठी कंधों की बाजू में रखिए. Loose fist next to your shoulders. Now with a little bit of force, we inhale. Take the hands up, open the fingers. And with a little bit of force, you drop your hands down and make a fist. तेजी से श्वास अंदर करते करते हाथ को ऊपर करेंगे. मुट्ठी खोलिए और श्वास छोड़िए. हाथ नीचे, मुट्ठी बनाए. Now, those of you with high BP heart issue, do it gently. शुरू करते हैं. We'll do around 15 to 20 counts. Close your eyes, a beautiful smile on your face. Take a normal deep breath in and breathe out. For Bhastrika Pranayama, with a little bit of force. In, out. In, out. In, fill your lungs. Out. Empty your lungs. In, out. Continue. In, out and relax. Vishram. Feel the energy rush in the body. शरीर में प्राण ऊर्जा को महसूस करिए. And you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Now let's start with the head movements. Breathe in, look up. And breathe out, look down. ऊपर देखिए. श्वास के साथ और नीचे. Up, down. And relax. Now put your right hand on the right side of the head and make an attempt to turn the head to the right side but resist with your hand. हाथ को सिर के ऊपर दाहिने ओर रखिए. दाहिने तरफ सिर को मोड़ने के लिए कोशिश करिए लेकिन हाथ से इसको रुकिए. Hold, 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 hold. Push, 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 push. And relax. Once again, this helps to release the tension accumulated in the cervical region. And relax. Once again, squeeze and relax. Let go. Now to the other side. Press and squeeze and relax. Press and squeeze and relax. One last time. And let go, relax. Now let's do something for the shoulders. Now stretch your hands to the sides and open up the fingers wider. हाथ को साइड में रखिए. उंगलियों को दूर दूर कीजिए और अंदर कीजिए. Pull the fingers in. Now let's do the Tata bye-bye. Now come what may, do not loosen up the hands. जो भी होगा हाथ को ढीला नहीं करना चाहिए. टाइट पकड़िए. श्वास अंदर और श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते पूरा हाथ को पीछे की तरफ टर्न करिए. As you exhale, turn the entire arm to the back. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, turn your hands to the front. I know it's a little painful, but करते रहिए. Back and front. Back and front. Continue. Back and front. And slowly and gently come back down. And gently start rolling your shoulders. कंधों को घुमाएं. अगर चाहिए पूरा हाथ को भी घुमा सकते. You can rotate your entire arm. And reverse. Now this releases all the tension from the neck and shoulders because of a lot of sitting and laptop usage. Now let's do some stretches. Breathe in, take both your hands up, interlock your fingers, and as you breathe out, stretch up. श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते हाथ को ऊपर खींचिए. Feel your entire spine becoming longer. Move the hands to the back. हाथ को थोड़ा पीछे करिए. सिर को पीछे करिए. Move your head back, hand back. And let go, relax, Vishram. Now let's do some side stretches if you wish to. You can move the legs a little away from each other. पैर को थोड़ा दूर दूर पकड़िए. Now with your right hand hold the left knee. दाएं हाथ से बाएं घुटनों को पकड़िए और बाएं हाथ को ऊपर लेके आए और दाएं तरफ मोड़िए. Bring your left hand up and bend to the right side. Feel a deep stretch in the left side of the body. Now very important is to keep the leg wider or you may slip down. Stay here, keep breathing. And slowly and gently come back up. Now to the other side, दूसरा तरफ. Remember to only as much as you can and keep a smile on your face. And slowly and gently come back up. And slowly sit straight. Now let's do the twist. Twist to the right side. You can hold the back of the chair. दाहिने और twist करिए और chair को पीछे की तरफ से पकड़िए. Twisting is very important because this massages all the organs inside. And to the other side. And slowly and gently come back to the center. Now let's do one stretch for your entire spine, hips and hamstrings. Slowly come off the chair. And you may place the chair comfortably. And place your hands on the chair, either on the top part or bottom, both are fine. हाथ को chair के ऊपर कहीं भी आपको comfortable है वहाँ रख सकते हैं. और अच्छा से हाथ को सीधा करते करते पैर को पीछे करिए. आपका पैर कमर के नीचे होना चाहिए. Your feet, your heel should be below the hips. Now gently push your chest down and move your hips to the back. कमर को पीछे लेके जाएं और अपना आर्म पिट्स को नीचे दबाएं. Stay here, Ardha Uttanasana. And push down, down, down. And slowly and gently, you may straighten yourself up. And once again, let's sit comfortably. Now let's do something for the hips. You can place your right leg over the left knee. दाएं पैर को बाएं घुटनों के ऊपर रखिए. Now keep your body straight, hands on the legs. शरीर को सीधा रखिए. श्वास अंदर और श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते आगे और नीचे झुकिए. Exhale, bend forward. Go down only as much as you can. If you want, remember, keep your feet firmly on the floor. Gives you a nice stretch for your hip joint. And slowly and gently come back to the center. Now the other leg, दूसरा पैर. Remember, don't curl the back. Back को सीधा रखना है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Sit straight, breathe in. And as you breathe out, bend forward. आगे झुकिए, आगे झुकिए. जितना हो सकता है उतना झुकिए. मेरा चेयर जैसा आपका चेयर हाई है तो आराम से दे के झुकिए. And slowly and gently come back to the center. धीरे धीरे center में आ जाएं. Now let's do something for the knees. Stretch your legs to the front. Hold it straight and down. Stretch to the front. Hold it straight and down. Front. Hold. Straight. Front. Hold. Now stretch your legs to the front. Hold और विश्राम. Now stretch your legs to the front. Now pull the feet in, stretch your foot away. This is very important for circulation. पाँव को अंदर खींचिए और बाहर, अंदर बाहर, अंदर बाहर, अंदर बाहर. In and let go. Now something for the wrists. Make a fist and slowly start rotating your wrists. Smile on your face and reverse. And shake your hands. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. हाथ को अच्छा से हिलाएं. Shake, 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 shake. And relax. Close your eyes. आंखों को बंद करिए. 1 मिनट के लिए आराम से स्थिर बैठिए. For 1 minute, sit still and observe your breath. श्वास के प्रति सजग हो जाए. Let's take long deep breaths in and out. लंबी गहरी श्वास अंदर बाहर करते हैं. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let there be peace. Let there be peace. Slowly and gently, with a big smile, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे बड़ा सा मुस्कान के साथ आंखें खोल सकते हैं. How are you feeling? Are you feeling lighter in the body and calmer in the mind? शरीर में हल्का लग रहा है ना, मन में शांत लग रहा है, सही है ना? Let me know in the comment section how this practice was. Comment section में लिख के बताइए आज का प्रैक्टिस कैसे रहा. And do share this with all your office colleagues and friends. आप इस वीडियो को अपना ऑफिस फ्रेंड्स और कलीग्स के साथ शेयर करिए. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. I also teach daily Shri Yoga online on YouTube. You can join those classes in multiple batches and improve your overall health. I've given the link for that below in the description. मैं रोज श्री योगा ऑनलाइन YouTube में सिखाता हूँ. आप उस क्लासेस के साथ जोड़ सकते हैं और अपना स्वास्थ्य को अच्छा कर सकते हैं. उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. And check out this channel. There are so many different videos for different needs. Meet you in another video. Namaste.